We live in a world where having one computer on your desk often isn't enough. Many people need to use multiple computers at the same time to get things done. Not just multiple screens, but different physical computers which have their own screens. Without the right tool, you'll have multiple keyboards and mice on your desk, which uses up space, makes interaction with computers less accurate, and breaks your flow when switching between systems. This is where Synergy comes in. It's a software download that is easy to configure and intuitive to use. It works on Windows, macOS, and Linux. Once installed, you'll need only one keyboard and mouse to control all of your computers, instead of needing one for each computer. With Synergy, simply move your cursor off the edge of the screen, and you're instantly controlling your other computers, like magic. You can also copy and paste between your computers. Now, you'll have more desk space, have higher accuracy, and find switching between computers totally effortless. Synergy makes all of the computers on your desk feel like one cohesive system.